In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track opens and clicks in Apollo.io. If you're sending outreach from Apollo and want to understand who's engaging, enabling open and click tracking is essential. Open tracking shows you when an email has likely been viewed, and click tracking shows when someone interacts with your links. This data helps you prioritize follow-ups, personalize your next touch, and measure which messages and CTAs perform best. Start on your Apollo dashboard and head into Admin Settings. This is the central place where global preferences live. If you don't see Admin Settings, you may need the appropriate permissions from your workspace owner. Once you're in, choose All Settings to reveal the full list of configurable options. From there, navigate to Email Settings. This section controls how Apollo handles sending behavior and engagement tracking for your workspace. Inside Email Settings, toggle on Enable Open Tracking. This works by adding a tiny, invisible image, often called a tracking pixel, to your outgoing messages. When that image loads, Apollo records an open. Keep in mind, some mail clients block images or prefetch them for privacy, which can undercount or sometimes inflate opens. Treat open rates as directional rather than absolute, and look at trends over time instead of any single data point. Next, toggle on Enable Click Tracking. With this on, Apollo wraps your links so clicks can be recorded. That lets you see exactly which prospects are interested and which links get the most engagement. Because link tracking rewrites URLs, recipients may see a redirected link when they hover. This is normal for analytics platforms. If you're concerned about deliverability or brand consistency, a branded tracking domain can help. But the toggle here is all you need to start collecting data right away. After enabling both options, click Save. This confirms the change and ensures tracking is applied to future emails sent from Apollo. The settings aren't retroactive, so messages sent before saving won't show tracked opens or clicks. Once saved, your sequences, one-off emails, and automated workflows will begin reporting engagement. You'll see opens and clicks reflected in your sequence analytics, recipient timelines, and reporting dashboards. To validate everything, send a quick test to yourself or a teammate and verify the activity appears as expected. Remember that heavy security tools and privacy features can affect the exact counts, so rely on clicks as your strongest buying signal, with opens as supportive context. That's it. With open and click tracking enabled and saved, you'll have the visibility you need to refine messaging, time your follow-ups, and focus on the prospects who are most engaged.